ते उलटा जाता. We have shown the document when Chief Minister विचारले तुमकां खंय मेळ्ळें हें की 136 million tons कोळसो येवपाचो आसा. ताका तेन्ना आमी डॉक्युमेंट्स दिले and he said आपणा कडेन हें नाशिल्लें इन्फॉर्मेशन. We explained to him how double tracking is going to be used for transporting coal to Karnataka. To all the, we gave him the list of the companies which are there, which are waiting for coal. We told him how the expansion of national highways is being done just to transport coal all the way. सगळे ताका हायवे नॅशनल हायवे नंबर दिले कशे कशे प्लॅन्ड आसा पळय ते. गिविंग हिम द बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट सिन्स ही सेड आपणाक खबर नाशिल्ली. वी एक्सप्लेन टू हिम कित्याक ताणें म्हणपाक नाका आमकां म्हाका स्टडी करून. नो, डोंट स्टडी. वी हॅव स्टडीड एंड वी गेव हिम द डॉक्युमेंट्स. वी ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन टू हिम इन 2016 नोव्हेंबर 2016 अंडर द then Chief Ministership of Shri Lakshmikant Parsekar कशे आमचे न्हंयो नॅशनलायज केल्ल्यो and how 3 rivers that is Zuari, Mandvi आणि कुमरजुआ हांकां नंबर दिल्ले आसा. कुमरजुआ इज नंबर 27, Mandvi is number 68 आणि Zuari is number 111. हे 3 न्हंयेंसान कसो कोळसो वचपाचो आसा. The letter we gave him from the center written to the government of Goa, captain of ports, dated 18th September 2017, where they have said 9 jetty येवपाच्यो आसा. कसो तो कोळसो वेतलो, how it will be unloaded at the jetty, how it will be put on the trucks and it will go by the national highways. We explained the entire conspiracy and we believe what he said. He said आता समजून आयलें म्हाका. बट काल जेन्ना तो आयलो दिल्लीच्यान आनी सांगलें that we can do a rethink if लोकांक नाका जाल्यार. लोकांक नाका म्हणूनच तूं दिल्ली गेल्लो. प्रोटेस्ट कित्याक आयज आख्खे गोंयांत चल्ल्या? Why people are not wanting all this double tracking, expansion of national highways? Why this destruction? If 400 kV line येता ती आमचो बाब इनासियो वाज तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करतलो. But why that is being brought, causing massive destruction in the wildlife sanctuary, in the Mole National Park, damaging the Western Ghats? Why all this being done? आमचे गोंय सांबाळपाक येदेशें माणकुले गोंय आमचे, just to satisfy the greed and to increase the profit of few crony capitalists. We are destroying Goa. So काल तो ताणें स्टेटमेंट केला. It is not a straightforward statement. We are requesting the Chief Minister, जे 13 तारखेर ऑक्टोबर तुवें प्रॉमिस केल्लें, you have to walk the talk.
The railway has to run with electric engines. The diesel engine, because of pollution, म्हणटात ते phase out करून म्हणटात. From where will the power come? Goya traction system na. Nearby Karwar, nearby Maharashtra traction system na. So from where will they power the engines? Hunson power ditele te electric line, electric engine, electric train, hunson power ditele. And I will tell you, the trains don't run on 440. त्याचे व्हडले सिंक्रोनस मोटर असतात which drives the engine and that requires uninterrupted power supply as well as voltage fluctuation आसोंक जायना. And I will tell you, when they get this 400 kV line and substation at Sangod, that will be used to create the traction substation for this railway project. And main railway project are कित्याक and main unmoored कित्याक. When a heavy train वता, when it climbs the unmoored ghat, तुम्ही जाणात इट्टाची ते 2 इंजिनां मुखार लायतात, 3 इंजिनां फाटल्यान लायतात, because that much of power is required. The same amount of power to phase that out, they will use the electric engines and they will use very high power, extra high power than the normal train wata. They will use more than that high power for those engines. And to run that, this power, this 400 kV will be used, that substation will power them. Ye lokak kya sangina? Tell them to deny. From where the traction power will come?
Don't give such statements. Statements time ka bar jato.
What will take be done?
Immediately there are some things what we had given him a memorandum and the memorandum list out kelle. First, stop land acquisition. It can be done. One, straight away executive order, please stop land acquisition. Second,
But this land acquisition is small thing.
Yes, so that is the root cause, starting of this thing, जेन्ना land acquisition जातलें, automatically double tracking जावपाक.
No, but entire line they have already completed, especially Shalor, Margaon.
Work is still going, but आमची heading line पळय आसा after Margaon, up till there.
No, Margaon to Saravali there is already double line. So now it start from
Other side.
Margaon to Vasco.
Vasco.
Yeah.
So we are saying stop that land acquisition पळय ताणी start केल्लें ते बंद कर. Second, immediately जे आमच्या power minister and environment, ironically he shouldn't have been the environment minister. It's an irony that way. He said notification आयिल्लें आसा. Then you can also, we have told him, come out with a notification now. Scrapping this thing. Straight away. That will give an assurance to the people that chief minister will walk the talk. बेश्टे म्हणून rethink and all तांकां खबर आसा आमकां नाका म्हणून. Scrap it.
Notification to scrap what?
This particular destructive project has put there.
Oh.
And what is there with the center? Please write, stop it immediately. Because the union minister who passed away, Mr. Angali, he had told, Tumka tar naka, we are going to shift it. So center is not imposing. It looks like center is not imposing. Why is the state government going out of their way to implement something which is destructive? I mean, open the wallet, there is a big legal team with us, lot of lawyers and some very reputed, experienced lawyers. He is one of the youngest who is an activist plus a lawyer. They are the guide karta. And all the documents these lawyers have studied. It's a very strong case, but we have told them, Sadhya, we are having hope that government will not force us to take the legal route. They will listen to the democratic voice. And तांकां खबर आसा. See, the very fact chief minister told us on 13th, I will not allow destruction of Goa. तातूंत आमकां hope आसा that CM himself